Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to make a photo dump on the TikTok. So if you want to make a collection of your pictures with a music, so how you can do it, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, open your TikTok. You can also do this on the CapCut if you want to, but the easy process is here. Simply you have to click on this plus icon, go to the templates. Here you will see different templates that is built in on the TikTok. If you want to use this, simply click on the upload photos, upload your photos, and your all editing will be done by the TikTok. Other way is that you can simply click on this plus icon, go to the uploads. Now go to the photos, select pictures from here 3 to 4. Now click on the next. Once you will do it, you can simply add a music on it, and now click on this next button. So in this way you can make a photo dump on the TikTok. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.